everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today I've come across a very nice idea. Pretend that you have one of these standard regular Lego horses. I've got a white one over here. Nay! And to make a cart to be pulled by a horse, you use one of these special pieces that are very popular with horses. These kind of slanted bar elements attached to base plates, and they make makeshift reins, don't they? But what if you don't have this piece? Well, that's where I come in, because today, for our today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cart for a horse without using any of these pieces. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start off with the actual cart itself before we go anywhere. So I'm going to bring in this 2x8 standard base plate in this dark grey. And on top of that, we are going to be attaching these 2x2 standard, not standard base plates, 2x2 base plates with the special pegs for wheels. We're just going to attach them over here. And I want a 2x4 standard base plate in brown at the back here, and two of these 2x3 standard base plates in brown as well. On top of that, we are going to attach two of these 2x6 standard base plates at an angle, slightly shifted along the cart like this, and we're going to make a little space to carry some stuff in the cart as well. So I'm going to be using bricks, and you can use any bricks you like. I'm going to be using these kind of wooden style bricks, and I'm going to use 4 of them in a circle. In the middle I will want a put 2x4 tile like this, light grey, so we can put stuff in here, and some more tiles, some nice brown tiles to add a little shiny wooden effect to the top of the cart. And let's put that aside now, because we're going to make the function for our horse. So take any horse that you can find. What we're going to do is we're going to bring in some side attachment bricks. They do not need to be the same color as the horse. This is going to be the kind of saddle, and I'm using this cream version. And we're going to stick it into this place where the studs are, and on top of that, just to smooth things out, a 1x2 tile like this. And we're going to leave that for later, because we're going to go back to our cart and see if we can finish this off. So we're going to bring a inverted tile, a 2x2 inverted tile, and we're going to put it underneath here like so. On top of that, more side attachment bricks, but I'm using this in black. One here and one here. Above them we're going to be using these fountain slope pieces in brown on top. And on top a 1x2 tile like this. And now here comes the fun part, when we attach our horse to our cart. Although, hang on a second, we might want to add some cartwheels first. So get any cartwheels you like. I've got these black ones, but you don't need to use cartwheels. You can just use regular wheels if you like. You can use them with tires or without tires. Now we are ready to attach our horse together. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach them actually with bars. So I've got this 6 long bar in gold. Well, actually 2 of them. And we're also going to use some more elements. We're going to be using these 1 long bar with a grabber on the end. And we're just going to attach one in like here, and another in like here into these holes, so they're facing like this. And we're going to do the same to our horse, attaching it into the kind of makeshift saddle that we made. And what you need to do now is you need to get a bar, clip one end over here and clip another end to the horse, and you might want to slightly angle the clips downwards a little bit. And we're going to do the same to the other side. A little bit fiddly, but there we done it. So there we have it. Our horse carriage without special pieces is complete. And I'm gonna bring a cowboy, because this is a wild western. So we're gonna bring a cowboy with a nice big mustache, and he's gonna sit over here. Well, you can use some string if you like to make some reins, if you like. And we've got some cargo space at the back, and this is actually a very flexible design with the poles here. You can move it outwards, you can move it in, you can attach more horses. Also, you can put it at an angle. So let me experiment with something. You can make it at an angle so it looks like, wait, the other way. So it looks like you're going around a corner really fast. Yeah, and these are adjustable, so you can make the carriage much higher, or you can make the carriage, hold on a sec, much lower. This is a little bit stiff, but it does work. Or you can make the horse jumping while you're riding. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Come on, Margot, let's see if we can find the Wild West.